Here I have Thomson TO 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SD card into this device. So firstly you have to take your SD card and just insert it. That's it. So here you have like SD card port. As you can see, it's even like has this SD card icon here. So you just like insert it just the way it's on this picture, like this, and SD card is on. As you can see, here is notification indicating that SD card detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.